Hi, thank you so much for scheduling with our client engagement coordinators. This free call is going to allow them to learn more about you and see if we are able to help you before you move on to our next stage. Remember, they are not lawyers, but they have been with us for a very long time and know about how to qualify you to make sure that we are able to assist and that we are working in an area that is what you need. And if we're not able to assist you, one thing about Ackah Law and our team members is we will do our best to find you a firm that will be able to assist you with your matter. So don't worry at all. It's a free call with our client engagement coordinators. They're going to take some information from you, a little bit about your story, what your situation is, if there's any urgencies, rushes, deadlines to deal with, to make sure that if there are, we're going to be able to assist you and manage expectations successfully. After your call with the client engagement coordinators, once they determine that you would be qualified to work with us, then they're going to recommend that you book that paid legal strategy session with a legal professional such as myself, so we can dig deeper into your issues and make a legal strategy plan for you to implement working with us. So again, thank you so much for scheduling and taking that first step. We look forward to helping you, and we'll speak soon. Bye-bye.